Hello guys, welcome back. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing about tuples method inside Python. So we have already seen the tuple example, like how we can define a tuple and all. We have also seen like how we can perform the tuples operation. So there are some inbuilt methods are available inside tuple. We'll be exploring those are the method in this particular video. So let me go to our code editor and try to understand this particular concept. So guys, as you can see here, I have listed down some of the common function and method inside tuples. See, these are the common functions can be used anywhere. It can be used inside list. It can be used inside, let's say, tuple. It can be used inside sets. Okay, anywhere you can use this particular common functions and method. So I think in the list example also I showed you these are the common function and method. Okay, so here you can see you can perform something called length operation, minimum operation, maximum operation, sum operation. I think sum I didn't show inside list, I forget to mention, but here I mentioned you can also perform the sum operation on top of a list. Okay, it is also possible, and you can perform the sorted operation. Okay, so you can see this is my tuple, and if you just let me first of all execute the program. You can see length is 4. That means in this particular tuple we're having 4 items. Minimum value is, let's say, 1. Maximum value we can see it's 40, and sum, if you perform all the sum operation of this particular number, you will get 46. And if you just perform the sorted operation to the, let's say, ascending order, okay, ascending order, you will see. So this is the ascending order output 1, 2, 3 and 40. That means low to high it will actually show you. Now you can see this particular output from it's a list. That means if you perform sorted operation on top of a tuple, you will get a list output. That is the difference only. If you perform sorted output on top of any kinds of, let's say, tuple, you will get the list output. Now, if you just perform the descending order, you just make it as true, you will get the descending output. Okay, that is the idea. Apart from that, inside tuples, actually only 2 inbuilt methods are available. Let me show you. If you just go to Google and search like tuples method in Python, you will see only two methods is there. Okay, 2 function is there, count and index. Okay, count and index is there. But inside list, we saw there are so many actually inbuilt methods was there, because list was a mutable one, because we can change something, we can add something, we can delete something, right? That's why there were so many methods and functions. But inside tuple, actually, it's immutable. That's why very less inbuilt function and method actually will get. Only 2 is there, count and index. I think we already learned count and index in the list also. The same thing, the same actually function we can also apply here. So let me show you this count and index inside tuple. I will go back. So first of all, let me show you the count. So let's say this is my tuple, and if you want to see any items, like how many times actually it is occurring, you can use this particular count one. So I'll just write t dot count. I want to check how many times this particular 3 is coming. So you'll see only 1 time. Let's say if I give another 3 here, now you'll see it will show you 2 times. The same thing you have learned in your list. Now the next thing, let's see this particular index. So I'll what I'll do, I'll just write t dot index. I want to check the index of, let's say, 1. It will give me 0 because 0 is present at the 0 index. Now if I give 2, it will give me 1. Okay, same thing you have learned in your list as well. Fine. Yes, so these are the actually inbuilt methods are available inside tuple. That means inbuilt function are available inside tuples. Apart from that, if you want to perform, let's say, all the list actually functions on the list functions on top of this particular tuple, what you can do, you can perform the typecasting operation. I think I showed you how to perform the typecasting. Let's say this is your tuple, and first of all, just do the typecasting. Take a variable temp is equal to, I'll convert to a list, this particular t. Now see, if I just do temp, you'll see that it will convert as a list. Now see, if I just write temp and just write the dot, you will see all the list method would be available. All the list method would be available. Now you can perform anything, append, clear, copy, anything you can perform. Okay, that's how you can do the type conversion, and you can use the list function and method as well in this particular tuple. But I won't recommend this particular approach, because I already told you, if you are designing any kinds of software, first of all, try to decide which particular data structure you will be using. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can use list. If you don't want to change anything, you can use tuple. So yes guys, this is all about this particular tuple method. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.